Hello everyone, welcome to
I
my
used to love the ice cream truck.
typical colors gameplay.
I really did.
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
Oh, dude. Classic.
Fuck you.
I'd always get the vanilla cone with the Oreo
You've earned
crunchies.
a medal. Begins in 10 seconds.
Well,
5,
4, 3,
2,
2, 1. I'm a fucking idiot.
What's the,
Okay.
we've seen this before. We've definitely watched this video before. I'm still confused. He's come up a bunch of times on my For You page, and I question every time why he does it.
Market gardening here is much easier.
He just
than
does
in
flips
actual
behind
team.
people and
A lot of
screams.
things here are
every
easier
video.
than in TF2.
And people just look at him like, the fuck is wrong with you? Yeah! Yeah! You're in New York. What you really think people are gonna engage with you? You walk down the street, that's it, this is a normal day. Who the hell is this? Hello?
Come on, come on.
Don't got much time, Doc.
I know we don't
Sir?
have a doctor, but come
You
on.
filmed on TikTok.
Thank you.
Hello?
As strong as ever.
Death Grips?
I'm not.
Drummer guy? That is. What the fuck is he doing? What are they up to these days, man? That's the new song. That's the new Death Grip song.
Fuck, retreat, come on, retreat. Fuck, the S button, the S key. Fucking retreat, bro.
This is so,
God damn it.
This is a classic.
Doctor!
My mic fell. Oh. My mic fell.
United States military aircraft conducts lawful military activities outside national airspace.
That was not a good rocket jump.
Why is there like badass military propaganda music playing in the background of this?
Let me work, fella.
What crowd are you trying to attract with this video? Oh man, it's a classic audio clip. Nuclear Thickness, thank you for the gifted subs, man. Appreciate it. English pronunciation test.
Can you pronounce these English words? You say them first. Then
Okay. Understandable.
You've earned my respect.
Understandable.
Uh-huh. Capable.
Capable.
Stop that goddamn cart!
Got that one. Laughable.
Laughable.
Editable.
Editable. Editable.
Got it.
That cart needs to be stopped!
Let me focus
Doable.
on gameplay. Okay, I suck at this game.
That's it. What's the punchline? Is that? Is this just a video to
Perfect.
teach
The
people
card
how
is
to,
moving
how to
back.
pronounce words?
Good.
And why did that end up here? Oh. Oh. Herbert.
Fuck.
Oh man, I miss when Jambo was a little tight. I really do. I never had him when he was this young, where he would make these noises, but what I wouldn't do to squish Jambo down into a little baby kitty again.
Ah,
I got Jambo around this size. Maybe a little smaller. Show Jambo. He's at home, man. He's not around. He's probably just sleeping. Okay. Here we go.
Yo. What's up, bro? Man? I like that. What's on your wrist? Let me see.
It's like 1989 Breitling with a
that's
UTC
crazy.
man.
I really like that watch.
Oh, the Rolex Pepsi. Yeah.
Away!
What
Let's
an
go!
asshole.
Yo, what's up, man? What's up? I really like that watch. What's on your wrist? It's an old Rolex Stagex 6-in-1.
Fuck.
90. I don't really care.
Stopped! Perfect!
At least he's being honest. That I always love watching the Daniel Mack videos. You know, the guy that walks up to you
Troops incoming!
like when you're just trying to enjoy your life, like with your wife. And he's like, yo, sit car, man. What do you do for a living? And they're like, dude,
I can't do this alone, damn it! Doctor,
he even startled Joe. At least this guy's being a little honest about it. No one gives a fuck. Come on, man. What do you do for a living?
Wow. Holy shit.
This is a nice satisfying video. Here we go, boys.
Rumor says if you feed a hippo a pumpkin before Halloween,
Fuck.
that's
keep
not a
that
hippo
cart
anymore.
moving backwards!
Fucking
That's a
stay
vampire?
What?
Put I love vampires in the comment section for a follow back and follow my new account.
I love vampires.
Huh? I was gonna say, man, like, I would love to get a machine that could do this to me for no apparent reason. But if you feed a hippo a pumpkin,
Before Halloween,
it's not a pumpkin
that's
anymore.
not a hippo anymore.
A hippo anymore? That's
That's
a
a
vampire.
Put I love vampires in the comment section for a follow back and follow my new account.
Okay.
Fuck.
All right. No, I guess.
Come on, guys. I gotta go.
That's the strangest way. That's the strangest call to action I've ever seen.
There are two scouts. One's going.
Keep pushing!
I guess we love vampires, guys. I'm actually so caught off guard by this marketing strategy. You
Start
can just
stick man from front of the fucking.
plop an ad in there. You just get people to download Raid Shadow Legends.
It's been
And they
stopped! Keep it up!
That's a vampire?
That is crazy.
Put I love vampires in the comment section for
Guys, put I love vampires in the comment section. Go to gamershops.gg to get some
Keep
get some
them
of
from
this
getting
drink.
to that cart!
Man, and follow my new account. There we go. The hell?
Oh shit.
He's not incoming!
I'm not good at this game. Yeah,
Don't got much time, Doc.
I got dominated.
No, that scared me too, dude.
Noticed.
Was that Brent Peterson running for president? Was that who I thought it was? Scripted? Guys, he started screaming. What other reaction do you want me to have?
Oh fuck.
What would the script even be for this video?
The bomb is nearing a checkpoint.
The last couple were scripted, though. I'll give you that. But this one, straight off the top. I scripted the rest of them, to be honest. Here we go.
Well said.
Fuck.
It's Daniel Mack.
This point is smart, and will stay that way.
That's just so crazy.
Oktoberfest.
that's
It's
it?
already November.
That is really crazy, man. That's awesome.
Huh?
You know, I hope by doing these TikTok reaction videos, I add at least a little more commentary than that. But sometimes, you know,
Holy shit.
sometimes maybe that's all you need to do to make it into one of these compilations. You think this vid would still get 5 million views if for the rest of the time I just said what was going on in the video?
Fuck.
Let's see it.
What the fuck?
Wow. That was crazy. What did I just watch?
The cart has almost reached the final terminus.
I'm so confused that I forgot how to play video game.
Wow. That's crazy. Go follow my new account.
Well said.
And, look. Really? You gotta stop. There's nothing behind me.
It's been stopped.
Please. You make me nervous. Second DUI?
Guys, no awesome. Oh wait, no. There's still a chance. We can find through. I'm just gonna defend it for. That's not happening. We're not gonna be able to defend for Union Street. First of all, fuck.
It's been stopped. Keep it up.
Dude's like, Joe, we just beat the case, man. You don't have to be broadcasting this.
There, 6%. This was initially a felony arrest, but when police announced that
Sure, like
he did not get a felony, he got a misdemeanor,
Uh-huh.
and zero jail time. All of a sudden, he is
How the fuck?
alcohol class for 9 months.
He actually found real life Saul Goodman.
20 AAs.
Get me this guy's contact information pronto. I've been fighting a case for like 2 decades, and I could use some help.
10 seconds.
Some community service, and then after 3 years, we can expunge
5,
his
4,
record, and it'll
3,
show up as
2,
case got dismissed.
1.
How do
Wow.
you feel? Fantastic. Thank you so much. Let's go.
Let's go, man. Wow. That's awesome. I would be. Do you think the lawyer? You think this guy's like? We'll get you off scot-free, but you gotta be in my TikTok. We're gonna have to record a 1-minute-long TikTok saying everything you did.
Control point enabled.
Fucking God. I did not get him.
Building a sentry.
Fuck your sentry.
Oh man, there's no pop. The fizzy river runs dry. Me eating in front of my friend's vegetarian cat. Dude is flabbergasted. He's actually flabbergasted.
Man, if he hit undershot, he would have been dead.
Oh, discombobulated even.
Does it look like I needed your help?
Fuck you.
Need your help?
Is that the whole thing? Damn. Primitive technology really fell off, huh? Someone want to make like a beat with this? That's a sick mechanism. This is an awesome contraption. That's an awesome contraption, man. Great job. That's awesome, actually. That's actually sick.
Play faster.
Doohickey. It's a little doohickey and a little trinket. A little gadget and gizmo. Here we go.
Alert!
Oh,
Our control
all right.
point is being captured.
Oh my God.
Alert! The center. Alert! There are people
Big ass
on
fish.
our control point. Alert! There are people on our control point.
Right.
There's three.
Alert! There are people
Setting
on
them back
our
into the
control
wild.
point.
There's thing. Frisco.
Alert! There are people on our control point.
It ends like that? Bro! Wait, time out! Time out! Time out! Time out! Caught this last night! No shit, it's fucking dead, dude! What the fuck? You don't keep those things above water for 24 hours?
Fuck, just get the fucking health.
You help?
Oh my lord. Oh my lord. He's like, dude, what's going on? Why is it not going? And then they posted that.
What the fuck is going on in chat?
If that happened to me, man, that would stay on my camera roll forever. That would not go anywhere else. That would never see the light of day.
Alert! The center
Am I the only?
tested. Alert! Our control point is being captured.
Fuck.
Titanic when they saw the iceberg.
Alert! Our control point
man.
is being captured.
Yeah, I think his steering wheel's broken, man. I think that's actually how they have to turn those big ass ships.
Engineer
I think the alignment didn't really work out.
What was that? What was that?
Went to one of those fancy restaurants where you eat things that don't look like food. Ew.
Cool.
What the fuck is that?
You've been sorry.
No fork?
Take that!
Listen to the
No!
century. I did. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for making this video.
Am I missing
I'm
the point
really
here?
bored.
Am I missing the point? Why are we doing TikToks today of people that do not understand how to eat things? And it's eating a concept.
I really hate it.
Oh my god. It's crazy. It's actually crazy. Here we go.
Fuck.
We have secured the control point.
Let's do this.
What the fuck is happening?
Holy shit, he got fucking spit roasted. What the fuck?
What the absolute fuck is happening?
Hey, man. That's like 20,000 calories. I'm not gonna lie to you. Wow. How much protein in there? Maybe like 500? Nah, maybe not 500.
Christ, what did you think would happen?
3,000 max? Yeah, I think you might be right. I don't know whether to laugh or cry.
You know what? Fuck you.
Just do what feels right, you know?
I'm going down.
Husband's reaction to peach cobbler. at normal speed. Then right before she throws it, what did she throw?
Mommy listened. Okay.
Carbon tasting.
It's all right. I had better than the school cafeteria.
He got obliterated. Discombobulated. By the way, did she throw the pot? Oh man. Hey, I guess we'll never know.
Mommy, sorry, mommy, sorry, mommy, sorry, mommy, sorry, sorry, mommy, sorry, sorry.
Let's see.
We.
Suck your penis right now. Suck your penis. Suck your penis. Suck your penis. Suck your penis right now. I want you to suck that penis. I want you to suck it right now. We have lost the control point. Earn my respect.
Damn. Remember when men used to go to war and die? What happened?
You ain't taking this point from me,
What
brother.
happened?
Suck your penis right now.
First piece. I saw damage and I just assumed
Done in 60 seconds.
Oh
I
man.
could see an enemy.
Wow.
Home, home.
I'm gonna fucking get you.
When shoplifting's illegal, but you're literally a bear. Yeah, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Get off my point,
Situation.
scumbag.
You know?
Home.
I guess, you know what? Guys, you know what? I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you once. One time, okay? One time. It's free. It's free. That one is free. For him, that is a free meal.
3, 2, 1.
But not
And
for
that's gonna
you,
be
not
it
for you.
for today.
You can't do that,
I don't really know what I was doing. Also, jschlatt
okay?
in the background.
Not for you. Not for you to do.
Yeah, that's it. Bye-bye. I love you.